Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining in today's video. Today I did a little bit simpler version of matte glam makeup using Master Mattes by Makeup by Mario palette. I just want to mention that contact lenses that I'm wearing today are from a brand called My Beauty, and these are in style Lolita Brown. I will link everything in the description down below, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching.
First, I'm starting off by applying these two matte colors, number 1 and 3. Number 1 is more on a cool side, where number 3 is more of a warm tone. Now it is time for matte color number 4, and I'm applying this color as if I'm contouring my face. I'm actually starting underneath my eyebrow and connecting that shade towards my nose area. Moving on to a little bit lighter shade. To have something that is good about these neutral colors is that I combine pretty much good mixed one with the other, and since this is a light color, I'm stretching that color all the way. Now to create some shape, I'm using also Makeup by Mario Pro Pencil. This one is in shade Perfect Brown. I have to say I really like this pencil, as I mentioned in my previous video, and also the brush that it comes with this pencil is amazing for blending this product. But since this product is waterproof, don't try to leave it for a long period before you blend it, because you will have hard time to blend this product out. I'm also filling in my lower lash line and reapplying this pencil as needed to achieve depth that I need. Mixing these two colors, I am intensifying my crease area with the blending brush. And with the matte color number 10, I am adding even more dimension to my eyes. But for this, I used a small bullet brush to be more precise, because this is dark color, and then once it has been applied, I am blending it with a blending brush. Also, with the same color, I'm covering the area where my pencil was, just to have same texture all over my lid. With the matte color number 7, I am connecting these two areas, my outer and inner corner, to make seamless blend. I use color number 3 to really light up and open this inner portion of the eye. Now last color is color number 11. That is going to be my deepest color for today's look. And when it comes to lower lash line, I did remove the pencil that I had before because it was staying too long, and the eyeshadows wouldn't connect that good when it stays for too long and it's kind of settled already. So I decided to start with a fresh base. Reapplying that pencil again, and now I'm working from the darkest to the lightest color this time. So I applied darker color closer to my lash line, and then from there on moving to the lightest color. For my mascara, I used Catrice Glam Doll Mascara, and for my eyelashes, I used half of Naked Ardelle eyelashes in style 421, and then full piece of the same eyelash style, just to add more dimension.
That will be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and before you go, make sure to check another video that I made. This was my first impressions with this palette as well, so make sure to check this video as well. I will see you in my next one. Bye!